Today I'm showing you two 12-inch construction jacks. They're actually multi-purpose. You can use them for wall tile leveling, installing doors, cabinets, floors, porches, decks, or frames. It can double as a woodworking clamp. So I've got two boards here. And if you wanted to glue these together and then clamp them to dry, you could put them under this jack and just push it down then to hold it securely. Now it's tight and it would hold it while it glued. You could put the other jack on the other end and have it really secure. It can lift heavy furniture for cleaning underneath, and it can position drywall for precise installation. Thanks to the brand for sending me these jacks to try out so that I could make this video to show you how they work. The solid base is all steel with a thickened double clip bottom plate and a stable center of gravity. Using two jacks at the same time will lift up to 450 pounds and will give you 6.69 inches of lifting capacity. To lift, you're going to press the handle. Just squeeze it like this. See how it's rising up? So that's how you lift something up. Then, when you want to let it down, you press the plate. You have to actually push the plate. You can't just press it, you have to push it down. There, I pushed that down. Now those boards are really in there. The handle is comfortable and it allows fast rising, and pressing on this plate will lower it. The jacks are lightweight and easily carried. This is a tool I didn't know existed, but after using it, I can highly recommend it.